All right, it is November 3rd, 2022, and we got some fall garden going here. All right, since the last update 4 weeks ago, we've pulled sweet potatoes, peppers, okra, tomatoes. It's all gone. We have since planted some garlic last week. Well, weekend before last, so almost 2 weeks ago, we got some garlic popping up. Don't want it to grow too much over winter, but it's in the ground. We got some more green onions planted in this one. Some of them are popping up. And then the beets are looking great. The potatoes that I missed apparently. The one cabbage is doing good. It looks a lot better than last video. Swiss chard is looking great. We have been using Swiss chard for tacos. And I'm going to try to overwinter some peppers. I picked out the best looking green bell, red bell, and jalapeno. See what happens. Won't lose nothing if they don't make it over winter. Be neat to plant them come spring. All right, in this bed, going on 3 weeks, got some more beets planted, a couple rows of radishes, I can't remember, and some carrots. So hopefully those will start coming up. The cilantro, looks like this one's starting to go to seed, but it's doing great. The 3 cabbages, doing good. I did get a little romaine planted down there, and we've had 80 degrees. So after the last update, we had our earliest frost on record, covered a lot of stuff up, and then we're back up in the 80s, low 80, high 70s. So it's been a struggle for the first fall garden, but we can do it. All right, we got a couple broccoli here. They're looking good. The red onions and the sweet onions doing good. The Brussels sprout, I'm still not sure what's going to happen with that. I'm going to let it go though. The 3 cucumbers, not expecting anything out of. I went ahead and planted some kale here. Added some more dirt as well after I pulled up the peppers. It's not coming up yet. And this one, I planted a bunch of spinach, pretty much this whole half. And then I think I planted some green leaf lettuce and stuff in there. Then I went ahead, had some more onions I planted in this little section here. You see them starting to sprout up. The gold beets look great. The cabbage, I only had 2 in each row come up. And then the broccoli and cauliflower, it's looking decent, getting some size to it. So that's all about 4 weeks old. The squash and zucchini, the yellow squash and zucchini plants, like that one. I mean, my plants in the spring didn't look that good, so really hoping to get some squash off these for the fall. The volunteer cherry tomato, I went ahead and left. We've actually got some little green tomatoes down there somewhere. Can you see them? Let's see here. Ah, there they are, right down there. So maybe we'll get some fall cherry tomatoes. And over here, we've got the one broccoli that came up. That's probably about 6 weeks old. Well, since last video, those are about 5 weeks old. Those were just starting to sprout 4 weeks ago. So that's the snap peas, 4 of those. And we got our 4 green beans, bush beans, we'll see what happens, and then the 1 cabbage. And the asparagus. Let's see if we get any asparagus come springtime. Now, this bed was full last video. And these two in the middle are brand new. Just got those filled up this week. And then this one wasn't full last time. It's full now. Don't have anything planted in these 4, but they'll be ready for some herb garden come springtime. And then I did get the panels put up. They're in the ground, and then I got all the blackberries and raspberries, got them all planted. We went from two blackberry bushes to 10 total with the sprouts we got. So we got 10 blackberry vines now. And then over here on the other side, the raspberries, we went from 6 to 20. So we're gonna have some raspberries and blackberries comes summertime next year. That's all on this side. And the leaf lettuces on the back side of the house, we've got pretty nice variety of some green leaf, red leaf, a couple others, some romaine. Those are all about 6 weeks old. They were barely coming up in the last video. Some more onions. The kohlrabi's doing a lot better since the frost we had. I think killed a lot of the moths and caterpillars. The Swiss chard doing okay. Of course, the carrots have done great here in the fall. A lot better than the spring, at least the tops. We'll see what the bottoms look like. And the parsnips. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. Hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think.